I'm freezing like Ice Age.
No fucking joke about this, man. You don't know. New York City.
Good morning, viewers. You don't know, just rise. You see me? Yeah. I'm gonna go outside right now. I'm not put nothing over my head. Wipe on that, put nothing up on my head. You see me? Now put nothing on my head right now. We have any sedan in the kitchen. You see me? I chef up something. Tell him what you're looking about now.
Don't know, you don't know some oxtail ready in right away. You know, the Monday are fresh from here, you see it? There's some shrimp over here to have bubble up. You know what I mean? Boil up the shrimp first, you know?
Yeah, which is right.
Which is right. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Oxtail are almost ready up and thing, you know?
Which is right.
Yeah, man, you don't know. What a simmer down, you know?
Yeah, we're gonna make you see it when it's true, you see me? You don't know me, I go downstairs. So I'm going outside. You see me? Even outside look cold. May not be, but we don't know up here. Chilly out, but downstairs. Yeah, outside with that. You see me? Yo, out kinda cold like yesterday. But now I lie. Today kinda feel alright. See now the night better than the day. I don't know why. But yeah, I couldn't see the street. Walk down the block in a few. So the man I drive with one light. See if police at Jamaica say that. Them are gonna say right or left. One light the man I drive with BMW. Probably not even know. Yeah, you don't know I walk the block. Me I look for a store, buy something, eat, I love my cook, you see me? Still want to snack around. Food there in the house, but just want to walk, you dig what I say? But never know say them carry the up here. See it here? Taxi man favorite car. Yeah man, this is how them use Bonap Road. Now I make the vlog really long still, you see me? Cause yeah, what more I do? Stop though. I stop make long videos. Cause people lose interest easily. You don't know this. You lose interest easily. I want it as short as possible. So like on the main. Like on the main. It's a Burger King there. Burger King right there. Have it here away. The people are push people in a stroller. Like a tire shop over there too. You see me? Yeah, just done eat some food. And you see that I'm just prepared. Right now I got the mall, you see me? The dumpling shop.
The girl say you can't jerk hard. So me turn inna your bedroom in a world war. When you reach home, she say you rather hurt her. Every day so you gone inna your bar. When you take this from me say you no fit with star. Tell me fast and you never reach star.
You don't know. It's at the mall, isn't it? Well, I'm gonna make her see where I'm going. That is me. So I don't know. Take a walk on the mall and see what I'm going to feed. Today is Sunday, so I'm not going to expect everywhere for open. Any sedan kind of cold, so I'm going inside of the car and thing. But as I said, today is Sunday, so everywhere now go open. Places are kind of, some places are going to close. Gonna go pick up my cousin on the mall because she work on the mall, you see me?
Troubling TV, on the internet you see me. You don't have to pay no money cause this comedy is for free. Troubling TV.